hear the word protester, we picture anger. But if you look closer at any crowd, you'll find a woman standing for her basic rights, a mother demanding justice for her son, a sister standing for her sister, or a brother. Sometimes even a child, not out of rage, but courage. So today, let's talk about what rights they carry onto the street and what happens when those rights are ignored. Article 19 Clause 1b of our Constitution gives every citizen the right to assemble peacefully with reasonable restrictions. And it can also be restricted under Section 163 BNSS for public order. When a woman is detained, the law is clear. No arrest after sunset. It's clearly stated in Section 43 Clause 5 BNSS. But exceptions are there in rare cases. But still, you need a permission from magistrate, that too written permission. Another one. Only a woman officer may touch her, which we saw otherwise in Delhi protest, where the police officers beating them, dragging them like it's their right. Next one, Article 22, Clause 2 of the Indian Constitution and corresponding provisions in BNSS demand that every person arrested must be produced before the nearest magistrate within 24 hours, excluding the travel time. The right to know why, the right to have a lawyer, the right to have her family informed is given under D.K. Basu versus State of West Bengal, 1997. But unfortunately, in July, in Delhi, we saw how far the ground can be different from the law. When students marched from the Jantar Mandir towards the parliament, during the monsoon session, police battalion charged the crowd and used tear gas, a chemical weapon, leaving more than 100 people injured. Video showed women protesters being struck and being dragged, some bleeding, some begging to the officers to stop. Now, what if a child is present too? Remember, the Juvenile Justice Act 2015 says no handcuffs, no regular lockup, no questioning without a guardian. And when force is used on anyone, woman or child, without a valid order, it is in law and order. It is a violation the law itself calls out. The law is already on their side. What's missing again and again is someone enforcing it. Thank you. Jai Hind.